The Supreme Court on Monday issued notice on a plea by activist Sonam Wangchuk's wife challenging his detention under the National Security Act (NSA). A bench of Justices Arvind Kumar and N.V. Anjaria issued notice to the Centre and the Ladakh Administration on the petition filed by Gitanjali Angmo. Appearing for Angmo, senior advocate Kapil Sibal said they were opposing the detention. Solicitor General Tushar Mehta, appearing for the administration, said that the grounds of detention had been supplied to the detainee and that his lawyer and brother had met him in prison. Sibal argued that the grounds of detention should also be supplied to the wife. Mehta responded that Angmo had submitted a request to meet him and it was being considered. In her petition, Angmo contended that a systematic campaign had been unleashed against Wangchuk, alleging links with Pakistan and China. She said the charges were baseless and floated with the sole object of defaming, maligning, and discrediting his peaceful Gandhian movement aimed at protecting the ecology of Ladakh. In the petition challenging the detention, Angmo stated, quote-unquote, "Along with the illegal detention of Sri Sonam Wangchuk, a systematic, untruthful and false campaign has been unleashed against him and his colleagues." The petition further added, quote-unquote, "In particular, a blasphemous narrative suggesting links with Pakistan and China is being intentionally floated in certain quarters with the sole object of defaming, maligning and discrediting a peaceful Gandhian movement for the protection of Ladakh, its fragile ecology, its mountains, glaciers and the livelihood of its people." The plea said, quote-unquote, "Such malicious propaganda is not only baseless but dangerous, as it seeks to stigmatize democratic dissent and portray environmental activism as anti-national, when in reality Wangchuk has consistently worked for strengthening national unity and has been a supporter of the Indian Army through innovations such as high-altitude shelters and grassroots mobilization in border areas." It further stated, quote-unquote, "His detention is not only an affront to his rights, but is inflicting a profound emotional injury on the collective conscience of Ladakh." The petition said Wangchuk has consistently advocated peaceful and Gandhian methods to highlight the plight of Ladakh's ecology, fragile environment, melting glaciers, as well as the aspirations of its people for constitutional safeguards under 6th Scheduled protection and meaningful autonomy. Wangchuk was detained on September 26th under the NSA, which empowers governments to act preemptively against individuals seen as a threat to public order or national security. He was later shifted to Jodhpur. He was detained for allegedly playing a role in instigating violent protests in Ladakh on September 24th, which led to 4 deaths in police firing.